To bring about equality in the caste, the efforts were also made by the Christian missionaries, who started up many schools for the Indian students, wherein the students sat together irrespective of any caste that they belonged to. Then these low caste people, as they were called, also ran away to other places in search of jobs. For jobs were available in factories, in mines, in plantations, in building drains, in buildings and other such sewage and other such places in the cities. Of course, the occupation and life in the new place was not very comfortable, but still they were happy because they thought they were out of the clutches of the caste system in which they died every day. Some of them also ran away to Assam, Mauritius, Trindabad and Indonesia to work in the plantations. Thus, the rigidity of the caste system was slowly becoming less because of the fact that the people were migrating, because of the new schools which were opening, and also because of the enlightenment and the education that was spreading in India. Then there were other job opportunities like in the army. In the army, there was a regiment called the Mahar regiment, in which the group of the Mahar caste only could be recruited. And here it was the father of B.R. Ambedkar who taught at one of the army schools and encouraged the Mahar community to actually recruit themselves in the Mahar regiment. So, the new job opportunities, the enlightenment, the education, all was playing a good role in bringing about the much required equality amongst the Indians. Then we see that there were also efforts made by the low caste people themselves. As the women had made all the efforts themselves, now also came up the low caste people leaders who themselves tried to change their status in the Indian society. For example, we have Ghasidas, who worked among the Satnami group, who were the leather workers and whose condition was pitiable. They were not allowed to sit, drink or dine together, and thus he tried to improve upon the condition of the leather workers. Then we have Haridas Matua, who worked in northeastern Bengal, and he tried to improve upon the condition of the Chandal cultivators, who generally worked on the fields of the others and were treated very badly. Then there was Shri Narayan Guru from Kerala, who worked in the Ejava low caste group, who tried telling the people that now it is the time to rise and bring about equality amongst all the human beings. As far as the low caste reformers are concerned, there were certain characteristics which were common, and those were that all of them belonged to the low caste group themselves. They wanted to change the habits of the low caste, that is keeping themselves clean and other things, and they also wanted that the low caste people should rise above and think about their self-esteem. It is by these efforts only they believed that they can come about social justice and social equality in the Indian society.